Let's see how to unlock an iPad if you forgot the password. In the first step, open Settings. Later, select Face ID and Passcode. After that, type in your current passcode if asked. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select Apple ID, then tap on iCloud. Then enable Find My iPad. In the next step, use another device to open a web browser. After that, visit iCloud site and log in. Then choose Find iPhone. Then select your iPad. In the next step, launch iTunes on a different device. Now, attach your iPad with a USB wire. Then tap on your device symbol in iTunes. In the next step, press Restore iPad. Now, approve when asked. Next, let the procedure complete. You are good to go.